So class, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So before we proceed to our lesson, let's have a short prayer. Who wants to lead the prayer? Jisa?
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
So that's good. So this time, let's have a checking attendance. Who are the absent for today?
None, ma'am.
That's good. So this time, before we proceed to our lesson, let's have a recap in our topic class meeting. Class, last we discussed about what?
Ma'am,
Jessa?
movement of the earth.
There's any question about that?
No, ma'am.
So that's good. This time, let's answer this question. So, we're done to answer this. So, now class, let's have a group activity. The first group is identify the celestial planet. The second group is identify the Jovian planet. So, who can to present the celestial planet in group 1? Renan?
In group 1, we have terrestrial planet. In terrestrial planet, we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars.
The next group,
In the second group, which we are going to identify the Jovian planet, which is the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
so that's good. Thank you for participating our activity.
Let's proceed to our next activity. Class, I have a Jamboard paper here and you just need to arrange it in order. Children, are you anyone to answer this? Okay, we have the word earth. Next, Leah. And the other one is planets. And the third two are Neptune. Next for ito sila. So we have Mars. And lastly, so we have Earth, planets, Neptune, Mars, and Jupiter.
Good day, everyone. Today, we will be exploring our very own planetary neighborhood in our solar system. Okay, so our solar system is a very fascinating place with its own 8 planets and dwarf planets. So let's start with the Sun. The sun is the center of our solar system. Did you know that sun is a medium size of a star? Is our sun a star?
Yes.
Very good. Sun is a star. Okay, so let's move on with the 8 planets. Who can name me the 8 planets? Or what are the 8 planets of the solar system? Yes.
Mercury,
Very good.
Venus,
Venus.
Saturn, Mars, Jupiter, Neptune.
Okay, very good. That are all our planets. So let's start with the first planet, the Mercury. So Mercury does not have any moons or rings. Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Your weight on Mercury would be 38% of your weight on Earth. A day on the surface of Mercury lasts 176 Earth. A year on Earth, Mercury takes 88 Earth days, and it's not known who discovered Mercury. Did you know that? Did you know that, guys? Even though it is the closest planet to the sun, but it is not the hottest. So, who wanna know what is the hottest planet in our solar system? Yes, Venus. The second planet is Venus. Venus is the second planet in our solar system. So did you know that Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system? Venus does not have any moons or rings. Venus is nearly as big as the Earth with a diameter of 12,104 kilometers. Venus is thought to be made up of a center, iron core, rocky mantle, and silicate crust. A day on the surface of Venus, or solar day, would appear to take 170 Earth days. A year on Venus takes 255 Earth days. Venus is often called the Earth's sister planet. Venus is also known as the morning star because it is the brightest planet in our solar system. Okay, so the next one is the planet Earth. Earth is the third planet in our solar system. So the Earth was once believed to be the center of the universe. Earth is the only planet not named after a god. 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water. The Earth is the densest planet in the solar system. Earth is the only known planet to support life. And it has one moon or satellite. Okay, so the next one is the Mars, or the fourth planet in our solar system. So Mars is the fourth planet in our solar system. Mars, named after the Roman god of war. Mars is also often described as the red planet due to its reddish appearance. Mars is the terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere composed primarily of carbon dioxide. Mars is named to be the tallest mountain in the solar system and is called the Olympus. Olympus is the tallest mountain in our solar system. So the next one is Jupiter. The planet Jupiter is the fifth planet out from the sun and is 2.5 times more massive than all the other planets in the solar system combined. It is made primarily of gases and is therefore known as a gas giant. Jupiter has 79 moons, and it also has the largest moon in the solar system named Ganymede. Jupiter, it has rings also. Jupiter is the fourth brightest object in the solar system. And did you know that, guys, this hole, this is called the Great Red Spot of Jupiter. It is a massive storm that raging Jupiter for centuries. The next one is the Saturn. So Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun and the most distant that can be seen with naked eye. So Saturn is the second largest planet and is best known for its fabulous ring system that was first observed in 1610 by astronomer Galileo Galilei. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant and is composed of similar gases including hydrogen, helium, and methane. Saturn is the flattest planet, and Saturn has 150 moons and smaller moonlets. And Saturn also has more than 30 planetary. So Mars is the fourth planet in our solar system. Mars named after the Roman god of war. Mars is also often described as the red planet due to its reddish appearance. Mars is the terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere composed primarily of carbon dioxide. Mars is named to be the tallest mountain in the solar system and is called the Olympus. Olympus is the tallest mountain in our solar system. So the next one is Jupiter. The planet Jupiter is the fifth planet out from the Sun and is 2.5 times more massive than all the other planets in the solar system combined. It is made primarily of gases and is therefore known as a gas giant. Jupiter has 79 moons and it also has the largest moon in the solar system named Ganymede. Jupiter, it has rings also. Jupiter is the fourth brightest object in the solar system. And did you know that, guys, this hole, this is called the Great Red Spot of Jupiter. It is a massive storm that raging Jupiter for centuries. The next one is the Saturn. So Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the most distant that can be seen with naked eye. So Saturn is the second largest planet and is best known for its fabulous ring system that was first observed in 1610 by astronomer Galileo Galilei. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant and is composed of similar gases including hydrogen, helium, and methane. Saturn is the flattest planet. And Saturn has 150 moons and smaller moonlets. And Saturn also has more than 30 planetary. Okay, next is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It's not visible to the naked eye and become the first planet discovered with the use of a telescope. It is often described as rolling around the Sun on its side. It has 30 planetary rings and 27 moons. Uranus was officially discovered by Sir William Eaton-Chill in 1781. Uranus hits the coldest temperatures of any planet. Okay, so the last one planet is the planet Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun, making it the most distant in the solar system. It has 14 moons, and also Neptune is named after the Roman god of the sea. And Neptune is the smallest gas giant, and Neptune has 6 faint rings.
Now, can someone tell me what is the solar system again? Jessa.
Solar system is the sun and all the objects that orbit around it.
Very good. How about the 8 planets? Can someone identify what it is? Angela.
Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Mercury, Venus.
Very good. How about the Jovian planets? Jessa, again.
Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Very good. So why do you think it is important for us to know what is the solar system? Jessa?
To be aware what is planets and what happens in every planet.
Very good. In order for us to be aware on what is happening, not just in our planet, but of course outside our planet Earth, we can see whether there are different objects we might not know about, and it can help us to look after knowledge about the solar system. Additionally, did you know the Sun and the planets formed together 4.6 billion years ago called solar nebula? A shockwave from a nearby supernova explosion probably initiated the collapse of the solar nebula. The Sun formed in the center and the planet formed in a disk orbiting around it.
Now that we are done with our discussion about planets in the solar system, let's answer the following questions which check how far did you learn from our lesson. In test 1, you are just going to write the letter of the correct answer. And in test 2, you are just going to differentiate each planet in the solar system through their characteristics. So are you done now, class?
Yes.
So before we end our discussion, for your assignment,